When companies are looking for celebrities to endorse their products, they want to make sure that celebrity has credibility.
Yeah.
So there's a new study out from Reader's Digest. They pulled over 1,000 Americans to find out who the 100 most trusted people in America are. Famous people that are the most trusted. Let's go through some of the top 10 here. You've got Julia Roberts.
I trust her.
So this is based just on their image.
Yeah.
Right.
Melinda Gates, married to Bill. She's got too much money to lie about anything, so she's in there at number 9.
Melinda Gates? Go back to that one. You're serious? Out of all the names these people can pull out of a hat, Melinda Gates is the top of anyone's mind?
Then you've got Meryl Streep at number 4.
Oh, yeah.
I would buy anything from Meryl Streep.
Sure.
If Meryl Streep told me the biggest conspiracy theory ever, I would believe it because it's Meryl
Only
Streep.
if she's selling it to me with a Polish accent.
Coming in at number 2, America's new sweetheart, Sandra Bullock.
Yeah.
Yeah, I trust the crap out of her.
Oh, yeah.
And the number 1 most trusted celebrity in America, according to 1,000 readers of Reader's Digest, starts with Tom.
Cruise.
Not Cruise. Tom.
And Jerry.
No. Tom Hanks, most trusted man in America.
I am shocked.
Yeah.
How do politicians do on the list? Well, Tom Hanks, number 1. President Obama, number 65.
What?
Wouldn't we want our president to be top 5?
Yeah.
64 people that are more trustworthy than the president?
All this means is that politicians are now officially better liars than actors.
Alex Trebek was ahead of Obama.
Yeah.
He has all the answers.
Exactly.
Jesse.
Questions. He has all the questions.
Right.
Sorry, I stand
Get it right.
Obama-
Can't give you the points there, Kelly. Who are the least trusted celebrities?
Ooh.
How about Kristen Stewart and Tom Cruise? Kristen Stewart, who had an affair and got caught.
Right, I believe that one.
Tom Cruise, who it's been one of those there's a web of rumors and lies and
How
all
can
that.
you not trust Tom Cruise when he's saving everybody?
I didn't even know they still made this magazine. Is it still that little square thing?
Yeah, it's in every doctor's office, all dog-eared. All the old people sit there, lick and turn to page. Lick and turn to page.